Hey guys, Happy-Go-Lucky here, back for another maths question of the day. GCSE 2020 Specimen Paper 2, Extended Questions. And today it's all about arc lengths and sector area problem solving. The question goes as follows. AB is an arc of a circle, center O, radius 9 centimeters. The length of the arc AB is 6 pi centimeters. The area of sector AOB is k pi centimeters squared. Find the value of k. Press pause, have a think about it, have a go at it, and I'll be back with the work solutions in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, although there's a lot of terminology here with all the pies and the labels, it's not actually that hard a question when you dig deeper, which is always the thing with maths. Sometimes you look at a question and think it can't be done, but if you break it down step by step, you'll find that it's not as bad as it looks. So the first thing is, we know the radius anyway is 9 centimeters squared, which means the diameter, which is going to come in handy, is always double the radius because it's twice across from the edge to the center. So the diameter is going to be 18 centimeters. That's going to help us. The length of the arc AB, so this all the way around here, that's 6 pi. So we need to know what relationship that's got over a whole circle. So let's first of all work out then the circumference of a full circle would be pi times diameter. We already know the diameter is 18, so basically 18 times pi. So a full circle is 18 pi. If this arc length is 6 pi, well 6 out of 18 is a third. So this is actually a third of a circle. So if a full circle is 360 degrees, a third of a circle is 120 degrees. And now we've got the angle of the sector. The next thing then, to find out the area of a sector, it's pi r squared, but you want to multiply by whatever angle you've got. In this case, 120 over 360, or a third. So basically, we want a third of pi r squared. All right, so let's go for it. R squared is going to be 9 squared, it's going to be 81, times pi, and we want a third of it. So basically, a third of 81 pi. Well, if you're not completely sure, we can do a bit of short division to find out what a third of 81 is. 3's into 8 goes twice, with 2 remainder. 3's into 21 goes 7 times, and there's our check-in proof. A third of 81 is 27. So 81 pi divided by 3 is 27 pi, and let's go back to what the question was asking, the value of k. Well, k is the bit before the pi, k pi. So the answer is not 27 pi, it's just 27. 3 marks available for that question. The first mark, realizing that 6 pi was a third of 18 pi. So to find that it was a third of a circle. You would have got the second mark for working out or trying to work out pi r squared, now that we know that it's a third. And then, of course, the third and final mark coming from 27. Okay, hope you enjoyed that question and you learned something from it. I've been Happy-Go-Lucky, and today you've been looking at arc lengths and sector areas in terms of pi. Good for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.